What a beautiful day to walk in the park with Barnaby. Look at that big butterfly, Barnaby. Did you hear that sad noise over there? Oh, you are a very small and cute puppy. Hello, little one. Where is your home today? You do not have a name tag on your red collar. There is nobody here to take you home. I will call you Biscuit, and I will protect you. You must be very quiet inside the backpack, Biscuit. Shh.
It is very quiet in the house this afternoon.
Hello, Dad. Hello, Mom. I am going to my room now.
Did you have a good time walking in the park, Lily?
Yes, Mom. The park was very nice and very normal today.
Did you hear a strange sound just now?
It was just me coughing. I need to rest my throat. Okay, Lily. Wash your hands before dinner. That was very close, Biscuit. We are almost safe. Welcome to my secret hideout, Biscuit. You can sleep on my bed, but you must be a good boy. No, Biscuit. That is my clean sock to wear.
This new music track is really loud and great. Why is there a scratching sound coming from Lily's room? Lily, what are you doing in there? Open the door.
Oh no! It is my brother Ryan! Please stay under the blanket! I am just playing a new game with Barnaby.
Why is your pink blanket moving by itself over there? Woof!
There is a golden puppy in your bed.
Shh! You must keep this a secret from Mom and Dad, Ryan.
Fine. I will keep the secret for now, but only for today.
Thank you, Ryan. You are the best brother in the whole world!
Ryan, Lily, it is time for dinner. Come downstairs.
What do we do with Biscuit while we eat dinner downstairs?
Biscuit can sit inside the dark closet. He will be very safe.
This chicken looks very delicious tonight, Clara.
Thank you, Ethan.
Lily, why are you putting a piece of chicken into your pocket? I am saving it for a late-night snack in my room.
You do not need to hide food in your pockets, silly girl.
Does anyone hear a chewing sound coming from upstairs right now? Maybe a mouse is in the attic again? Ethan, you should check.
I will go check the hallway right now. Do not worry.
No, Dad. Let Ryan go check upstairs. He is brave.
Yes! I am very brave. I will look upstairs for the mouse. Biscuit, you are ruining Dad's favorite brown shoe. Stop it now. You are a very bad puppy, but you are very soft. Dad will never find his shoe right here. The plan is safe. There was no mouse. The window was just moving in the wind.
Oh, thank goodness. I was very scared of the big mouse. Good night, Biscuit. Sleep well in your new home.
Biscuit, please do not bark. Everyone is sleeping now.
Who is barking? Is there a dog inside our house tonight?
The sound came from Lily's bedroom. Let us go see quickly.
Wait, Dad. It was just me. Ryan, teenage boys do not bark loudly in the middle of the night.
Move aside, Ryan. I am opening the door right now.
So this is the loud mouse that was eating my favorite shoe.
Please, Dad. He was lost and lonely in the big park today.
He does look very sweet and tired tonight, Ethan.
Yes, he is sweet, but this puppy belongs to another family right now.
Does he really have to go back tomorrow morning, Dad?
A family is out there crying for him right now, sweetie.
We must find his real home everywhere tomorrow.
Wake up, everyone! We have a big missing puppy mystery today. I am writing big blue letters that say, "Found an adorable puppy."
His cute face will help his family find him very quickly.
Eat a lot of breakfast, Biscuit. We have a very long walk ahead.
I will put these posters up all over the neighborhood right now.
Hey, stop pulling my pants, you silly dog. He likes you very much, Ryan. He thinks you are a giant toy.
I am sad to let him go, but I know it is the right thing to do today.
This poster is right in the center of town. Someone will see it soon.
You did a wonderful job spreading these out, Ryan. I am proud.
Oh dear. Where is my little friend hiding today?
That picture.
That is my sweet little sunny puppy right there. This paper has an address. I will walk there with my cane right away.
You look so comfortable here. Maybe you can stay one more night.
Someone is knocking very hard at our door right now.
I will get it. Maybe someone saw the poster already. Hello there, ma'am. How can I help you today?
I saw a poster about a lost golden puppy in town today.
Please come inside, miss. Wait right here in the bright hallway.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful news! Oh, Ethan, did she come for the small puppy?
Wait, Biscuit. Where are you running to?
My sweet Sonny. Oh, you are finally back with me now. I missed you so very much, my little brave explorer.
He is so happy to see his real shiny mommy again.
Do not cry, Lily. You solved a very big mystery today.
You are right. He looks much happier in her arms.
Here is your strong cane, ma'am. Please be very careful going home.
Thank you for saving his life. I live just 3 houses down the street. Your children can visit him anytime they want to.
We can really come and play with him every week.
Sonny loves you very much already.
Goodbye, Biscuit. Oops, I mean, goodbye, Sunny.
Let us go home and find your big blue bowl, funny boy.
Today turned out to be a really great morning.
You two did wonderful teamwork finding his real owner today.
Keeping a loud puppy secret for long is very difficult work.
Next time you find a lost animal, tell me immediately, okay?
Yes, Dad. We promise never to hide another big secret upstairs.